Hey, hi all. Today I'm going to share something with you all. Very, very important and a product that is a need of, need for everyone. I guess almost everyone would be happy to know about this product. So few months back, I was going through the severe hair fall, and many people, my friends and followers, might know this that I am crazy behind hair color. So I keep coloring my hair a lot. In fact, sometimes it's like just every alternate month, you can say. So I am so crazy behind hair colors, and I keep doing I keep coloring my hair a lot, and that has caused a lot of issues, severe hair fall and hair damage, and thankfully not graying yet. But yes, so a few months just a month back, I was going through a very severe hair fall. In fact, wherever I used to sit, I could see the hair, my hair falling there. In fact, when I used to wash my hair, I could see my hair flowing more than the water from the tap. So that's how severe it had become. So fortunately, I met somebody in my group called as Extraordinary, which is meant for all the entrepreneurs and women who are into multiple or many businesses, or not even businesses. It's just a group meant for all the women. Okay, so over there I met this wonderful female who is a doctor, a homeopathic doctor, and I connected with her because I saw her product. She used to talk about her product called, which is especially meant for hair fall. That is Kesh Elixir. Kesh means hair, and this is what it is. Kesh Elixir. I hope you are able to see the product. So this is the hair oil she gave me. It is a customized one. So when I connected with her, she made a note of all the smallest details about my routine. How is my what do I eat? My sleeping pattern, eating pattern, and if I have any kind of other medications going on. She made a note of everything. And then she made this customized oil as per my whatever is required for my hair, as per the details I gave her, which is something I really liked, because mostly what happens is we get oils which are meant for everyone, but everybody has don't have the similar kind of issue or similar kind of diet, or not every product is meant for everyone. So this is what I like, that this is a customized one. So I started using this hair oil, and trust me, it has helped me a lot. I mean a lot, because now I'm not facing a severe hair fall currently, though it is not, I wouldn't say that it's completely stopped, because obviously whoever would say the hair fall would completely stop, they might be lying, because at least in a day 2 to 3 hair stands will be out from here. So it's not that it's stopped completely, but yes, this has helped me a lot, and my hair fall is in control now. And I'll just read out to you. This says that this is meant for hair fall, dandruff, dry and frizzy hair, sun damaged hair, colored hair, premature graying. So it's for it has a lot of benefits. Okay, it's made with natural ingredients, and it's very cost. You might feel, okay, it's a customized one, and it's it doesn't have any chemical usage, so this might be costing bomb. Trust me, it is not. It is very, very, very pocket friendly. Anybody can buy this oil, and you can connect with Dr. Sneha Kotak. This oil is called as Kesh Elixir, and she runs a brand, her homeopathic clinic in the name I think it's Basil. I felt actually, I thought like, this is the clinic name. And then so much in love with this oil that I keep even sometimes when I have to call her in my contacts, I actually write Kesh. So yeah, this has really helped me, and do try her oil. Dr. Sneha Kotak is you can connect with her. If she has her ID made online, you can connect with her. And Kesh Elixir is her oil name, but her Insta ID and her social media handles is in the name of Basil Homeopathy. So you can connect with her. She has a clinic at Borivali. You can call her. She would be consulting you, and trust me, People feel that doctors are, most of us feel that doctors are here to heal our problems, our physical problem. But I believe it is very important a doctor understands your emotional problems as well. So that's the kind of emotional connect that she makes with her patients, and understand what is the exact problem, and she tries to give you the solution for that. So do connect with Dr. Sneha. Do try this Kesh Elixir. Okay, Kesh Elixir. Do try this product, and I'm sure this would be answers to all your hair problems. So thank you all, and I would be sharing the details, her contact details with this video. So do connect with her. Thank you, and have a great day.